Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys and do a try on for the Boxycharm. Now this is a monthly subscription. It's $21 every single month and they ship it to your door at no extra shipping cost. So if you'd like to get yours, look in the description box. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the little bell down below so you don't miss out on any video that I upload. If you'd like to see how we did this look using the Boxycharm products, just stay tuned and let's go ahead into the video. So when you open these up, you get this nice, it just has a little bit of information about all the products that are in here, how much they cost, and you always get a small, like a code for some of the products. So today it will be the It, and I will post this in the description box, so if you guys do have one or would like to get 10% off, you could definitely do that. So I will go over all the products that we got. Try to go pretty quickly and then you will be able to see the look that we created using some of these products. The first one that we got is the It Cosmetics, the Superhero Mascara. Now if you guys don't know, this is one of my favorite top mascaras because it separates your lashes. It's really nice for volumizing and you could put 3 coats of it on and it's not cakey at all. And this normally retails for $24, so this already exceeds the price of this box, so it is so worth it. If you don't own a mascara and you'd like a volumizing, definitely pick this one up because it's really good and I recommend it. So thumbs up for that. The next one that I got is another one of my favorite products, and I'm so glad I got this because I normally repurchase this again. But this is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Bone Arrow. That is what I'm wearing, so I do show that when I do the try-on. This is what it looks like. So this is just a nice nude brown. It goes for any type of look, and I think it's amazing. It stays on throughout the day. It won't wear off if you eat or drink, and it's a really good one. If you don't have yet one, definitely pick it up, and this one retails for $20. The next one is a hand cream from Ahava. Now this is their small trial size, and this one retails for $10. It just has a nice scent, nothing too strong, but you can never have enough hand cream, so I am happy to get one of these and try it out. The next product is that creates this whole look is from Pure Cosmetics. Now this is their eyeshadow palette, and they have all of these face, and then for the eyes, now these are all shimmery, so it makes it really hard to create just one look from using just all of these all in one. These are all the colors, so it is two-sided. So these are the face ones, and then those are for the eyes. This retails for $38. And the last product is our leave-in for the hair. This is Don't Despair Repair Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is like a leave-in conditioner type of deal going on. And this one retails for $16. So I always enjoy having any of these because it just helps to keep the hair healthy and strong. And if you'd like to see the look that I did using some of these products, just go ahead and keep watching. Because they aren't all matte, so these are like all shimmery. This is for the face and then that is for the eyes. So I'll start with that darker tone. Now, I don't know if that'll be the best, but we'll start with that. It's really hard to create any type of looks if they're all shimmery, and I mean, believe me, they're gorgeous shimmers, but I'd have to do a few looks. But I thought I'd do something different for you guys and do like a try on instead of just showing you what these are, because I do really enjoy getting these. They're really nice. Like every single month I just wait to get my next Boxycharm because it's like a little birthday gift. And since my birthday is coming up soon, this is just nice to play around with these products. And honestly, you never know what you're gonna get every single month because it's always different. But I'm really impressed with this month's picks because it's most of the things that I already love and I wear, and it's just pretty amazing. That's more like, it kind of shows more purpley, but it's actually like a pinky type. Isn't that funny when they have like that really shimmer on top and then you swirl it and then it's all gone and it's just like a boring color? It has a pretty tone though. You know, I enjoy palettes up to the moment where they send you a palette that has all shimmery, and that just makes it so hard to create a look. I mean, I understand some palettes are just like meant to be all shimmers, so you could use other palettes with them, but they are all shimmers, and that would make it really hard to create a look just using all of these. I feel like every time I do something like this for you guys, it just ends up being like a complete whack. We'll be going in with this. I believe this is like a highlight shade, so I will go ahead and use that for my inner corner. They're nice to be wearing alone, and they do blend pretty well. I think you just have to start out with some other type of palette to just kind of mix some of them. Would I purchase this? Probably not. You know, it is a good palette. You just have all in one if you are pretty easy as far as with your eyeshadows and you don't use a lot. A lot of these could just be used by themselves. So I will go ahead and put an eyeliner and be right back with the mascara. So I will now use the Superhero. I have used this one as a small size and I do love it. I was actually thinking to purchase this one, and I'm so excited that they actually got me this because I think it does really make your lashes so much more voluminous, and I love using the little one. So I just wanted to show you guys how it actually works and that it's not just all talk. So it's got this nice brush. You could already tell the difference right there. Look at that, that's just one coat. So I do really like how it fans them out. It doesn't clump them. Now we will finish off with my favorite liquid lipstick, the Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. And this is just a nice neutral brown. Now, normally I've never used like too much of the neutral browns, but when I tried this one, it was a win-win for me. I have one of these already and I actually was gonna purchase a new one, so now I got another one as a backup. Well, thank you guys for watching and seeing how we did this look and did this try on. I do really always enjoy these boxes, and every single month when I do get them, I just feel like it's always an exciting thing to wait for the next one when they come. And considering that all of these products are always way over the $21, it is totally worth it. So if you don't have yours yet, go in the description box. I will post the link to get yours. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!